Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Model Building and Retirement Channel. This is Ken, and I apologize. This is an extension to part 3 video on my 1960 Ford Starliner that I just put out because I totally forgot to include the reveal footage after I did all my buff and polish. So this is just a short extension for all of you that watched that entire video and then didn't get to see the final result. So it's included here. I look a wreck here. I just got inside from shoveling out about 12 inches of snow, and there is more coming. So the weather forecasters were right. In fact, I'll take you outside and just show you a little bit about what's going on out there for you folks out there in the west or down south who aren't seeing it so much. And my beard and mustache just thawed out. It's still wet. I came in the house and this stuff was all frozen like icicles from the snowblower blowing snow around. So anyways, here's that footage of our snowstorm and then also the reveal of the paint job. So I appreciate you watching, and I'm sorry about forgetting that in my original footage. So thank you. Folks, I am sorry. I didn't realize that I made such a blooper here, but for all of you that watched part 3 of my multi-series build on a 1960 Starliner, I apologize. You know, you watched me doing all the sanding and polishing, and then I forgot the last clip of the reveal. I mean, you can catch a glimpse at the ending scene there, but I apologize. I mean, you're kind of wanting to see what that does. So anyways, this is the finish that it ended up with. It looks pretty good. Very reflective. So a little preview is the interior is also underway. That'll be in part 4. And it's basically a tri-tone paint job. It's got olive light green, olive dark green, and then dark green for the carpet and package tray. Two-tone everywhere else. So I still got quite a bit of detailing to go on that, but we're getting close. But anyways, yeah, I can't believe I didn't show you the finished shine after, watching me buff through all that. So okay, so this is a real short video. This is just an extension of part 3. Thank you. Okay, here's a view out the back door to my deck. I don't think we'll be sitting out in that patio furniture today. And then there's a view looking out to my backyard. Oh, I don't have to run out to that shed for anything today. And you can see the snow is still falling. And Debbie and I just cleaned this driveway, and I cleaned off my truck probably about 15-20 minutes ago. And you can kind of see along the side there how deep it was. I'm gonna guess it's 10 to 12 inches deep. In fact, the snowblower has still got snow on it, so it's cold. It's about 13 degrees out here. I knew it wasn't done snowing, and it's supposed to snow all the way through today and the night, so possibly going to double what we've got. But, I think it's a good thing we did the outside to keep up with it. So, unfortunately, the old motorcycle here is not going to see any action for quite some time. And even the Challenger, it's got snow on it only because of the snow blowing around outside. But I got her on a trickle charge battery tender there. So I wish I could get my truck inside, because that's a big thing to have to clean up every time. But luckily I don't go to work every day and have to deal with this. So. Okay, so anyways, that's the conclusion of part 3 here, the extension. Boy, I look all red, and it's probably because I've been pumping some blood here, cleaning the driveway off. So I guess my blood pressure must be up or something. So anyways, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.